Hi, welcome to the SM Tech channel. This video is going to instruct you on how to use OneNote, specifically using the settings under the File tab. To start, search OneNote. If you have not done so already, make sure to pin OneNote to the taskbar. Now click on the File tab in the top left-hand corner of your screen. In the Info section, you can find all of your open notebooks. You can also sync your notebooks here. To sync all of them, click on View Sync Status, and then click on Sync All. The New tab shows all your notebooks that you have. This includes notebooks from your OneDrive and personal tablet. In the Open tab, you can open any of your notebooks. This tab also shows your recent notebooks that you have opened. The Print tab allows you to print a OneNote page, as well as it allows you to preview that OneNote page. The Export tab allows you to export a OneNote page into another format, which you can save into your files. The most common export is to a PDF. Click on Export, then save the file. Go into the file, and you can open the OneNote page as a PDF now. The Send tab allows you to send OneNote pages to other students. This is especially helpful in group work and in group projects. You can choose to send it however you want, but sending the page as an attachment usually has the greatest result. Simply type in the user that you wish to send it to, and make sure to add a subject as well, and then hit Send. You also have the Account tab, where you can customize your account defaults. You can change the Office background and the Office theme to whatever fits your style best. The Options tab has many other preferability presets that you can change so that OneNote is comfortable to you, as well as useful for your learning.